What is this?
Mm-hmm.
What's happening? Daddy and his girls?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you know.
Coronavirus.
Bless you, bless you, bless you. So we can't take the paparazzi early in the morning. Tell mommy.
Call paparazzi.
Tell
You
mommy.
have to capture the moments, babes.
Say, hey, it's too early in the morning for that, Mom. Tell her.
She's looking out the window. What's happening here? You okay? Yes? What's the plan for today? What's going on here? Hey.
Tired. She's saying I'm so tired.
Tired, baby? Tired? These two lovebirds.
You ready for the day? Tell Mom what's up for today. Tell her we're gonna work out again today. Okay? Tell her we're gonna get some breakfast and then work out.
I'll never go manage. Okay? I'll never can manage.
I'm not telling you. I try to do other thing and I feel like we never do it.
Want exercise?
I said, run up, man.
Yeah, I'm so fit.
There's some like a thing we used to run through that we can't do it again.
After a while though, you see, I think maybe like after 2 weeks, we should be fine.
Consistently doing
You specify consistently.
it.
You specify consistently. I go try. I don't know how to expect, but I go try. Nothing tried, nothing done. Hey, Missy. Hello. Take the finger out of your mouth. Take out the finger. Show me what's going on inside. That's it. You don't want to come on the camera.
No more. That's it.
Telling me to put away the camera? Let me put away the camera. Let me put away the camera.
That's it.
Let me put away the camera.
Cool. Alright, girls. I'm up now. I'm up. Let's go. So this morning we have Sister Shafisha Liz in the kitchen. What are you preparing?
Alright, so it's gonna be ackee and saltfish with fried breadfruit.
What did you say?
Ackee and saltfish.
What did you say?
Saltfish and ackee?
What did you say?
Ackee and saltfish.
Yeah, that's my favorite. When you call
Yeah.
ackee and saltfish, you know, it's one of my favorite thing that in the world.
So I'm gonna steam the ackee. I already have the saltfish boiling. But I kind of soak it before, but it's still salty, so I boil it out a little bit. And I'm gonna cut up my seasoning. The breadfruit was already roasted, so all I have to do is peel off the outer part and fry it. So come along for the ride.
Alright.
Alright.
Let's go. The coward fruit is?
What is about breadfruit?
Let me say if you eat breadfruit too much, you make a coward.
But we don't eat breadfruit now.
What?
We don't eat breadfruit now.
Sister Liz.
We don't eat breadfruit now.
You also coward?
Remaining there, see, you see me eat one whole heap of breadfruit?
Liz. Sometimes I wonder why the baby them so easy to frighten. As they clap them jump. You know how you them get that part
Yeah,
from.
you man. You can't get everything for me.
So while Liz make breakfast, I'm gonna make her some tea. What kind of tea?
Try tea, dude. Try.
Why you have to go so hard?
Where you plan to drink? But I try tea, I always drink. I make the thing up so.
Your chest high.
Which tea me normally drink?
It's not so consistent when it come on to the tea thing.
Chai tea and chocolate tea.
Liz. I could think that me find out before one man will plant seeds of finding it.
For me, that is not the only criteria to get me.
Feel like me there a problem if me never find it before. You know, one good old farmer man did find it. Plant seeds up on them thing there. The thing get knocked.
So you should have paid attention when you're in their country.
To what? To farming?
Yes, you could have what do you call that, diverse. So by you should have can plant some seed, you know?
You sure they can do that?
So I can plant some seed.
You want me to plant more seed down the plant? After all that planting I'm going with you, I still want me to plant more seed. Awesome.
You don't say after coming in the kitchen with a slackness though.
Plain land, you know?
Land, yes.
Plain land. I'm not going to say I do some callaloo on the side.
Nice.
So covered fruit and ackee there, but
You did make it
breakfast is
tea?
ready. Yeah.
Alright.
When it comes down to the food thing, yo, sometimes you probably think she overdo it, but precise. Tell her watch this. I tell them appear them well square. All slices of breadfruit cut to the same size. When I know how you do it. And tell them I drink tea out of my favorite cup. Liz gave me this cup, by the way, for Father's Day. #1 dad. And then she get jealous. So she see me draw for my cup. She draw for this one. Alright, Mom. Thanks for breakfast, baby.
You're welcome, man.
So after about a week, you know, on the road, in the studio, we've been on the shoot that we've been telling you about as well. You know, quite a busy week. We're finally back. Today is gonna be a busy day as well, but I'll make it. We're so happy to be back. We've been telling you that we're very excited about this project, you know, so I'm here editing behind the scenes and we can't wait to show you that as well. But it's good to see you, you know, and yeah, we're ready again.
So we're gonna do some workouts today. Remember I told you guys I'm trying to work on my physical aspect according to Steve Ming. So we're gonna take it easy, but we still gotta get that work in. I'm wearing Privy Anthony Official. Look them up. Yeah.
Let me say a special welcome to you guys. This is what we do, how we stay healthy to maintain our physical aspect.
Of course.
You understand? So you guys have been working out for a while. So we'll be doing a light upper body and lower body just to warm you guys, get you guys back up in the frame of mind of working out and where you guys used to be and all of that. So we'll be cognizant of the fact that you haven't been working out for a while. So we'll really take it easy, take it light.
Alright. So it's a light upper body?
Light upper body today.
Okay.
10 times now. You got it.
All right.
Repeat that 10 times.
2, 3, 4.
4. Yes.
Jump back. 2 push up. 1,
Yeah.
2. Move. So 3 that. 1,
14, watch him.
3.
Mr. Fitness, this is
4.
struggle, yeah?
Hey.
You can do it. You're the greatest.
1, 2.
Back to the floor now. Excellent job. Lift them up now. Back to the floor now. 10 reps, please. Good money, go. Come on. Boom. Hello.
Excellent job, baby.
Start, go. Other leg, this is, yes. Super job, go.
16. Come on.
9 more.
So right about now, Liz boss, me boss. Oh God, it's rough over here, Burger Nation. It's been so long. Boy.
God is good. God is good. God is good.
God is good.
Ready to be praised.
Yes, sir.
Come on, Linga. Your time, Linga.
My time,
please
alright.
hold the camera open. Come on.
Let's
26.
go.
Hang in there.
You can do it.
25. Come on. Camera gone.
Camera not gone yet.
24. 23. 22. 21. Come on. Good job.
Yeah, you're the greatest.
20. Come on. 19. Come on, Linga. 19. 18.
Oh God.
17.
What on the Steve? Burger Nation.
Your turn, Liz.
How was it?
Come in frame, Liz, quick.
How was it?
Come in frame, Liz.
Burger Nation.
Watch me, Liz.
Body
Watch my babes.
can be so ungrateful.
Capella. Put them right down.
No,
And your foot,
we didn't expect this, but boy,
with them right there.
I actually feel like this is the first time ever working out.
Inside of them now, Liz.
Well, COVID that try to mash everything, yes, but
Me saying can mash up my, me give him my bank book.
yeah.
He can't mash up my body.
Yeah, man, you can wear it on your bank book a bit, but
Yeah.
the body,
Can't touch the body, brother.
yo, boy,
Can't touch the
Steve,
body.
that was a good workout, my brother.
Cheers, brother. You have to stretch it out. 30 minutes. We beat out that thing, brother.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, we're good to go, man.
Yeah. Burger Nation, if you don't know this face, you should know this face right here.
Then they must know you, man.
I'm talking about you, bro. This is Nico. I'm not talking about
No,
Nico there.
First of all,
Yeah.
not that Nico.
No,
Not
no.
that one. This one is Niko.
Yeah. You say you mash up
I don't
people's
mash up
life.
nobody's life and make people life better, actually. See? So, yeah.
Oh gosh. Yeah. We have to take a little break.
Yeah, the road rough.
Road rough, that's so.
So we're on way to rehearsal right now.
By the way, if you're wondering what we're rehearsing for, it's for the return of Reggae Sunsplash. And this show is happening November 27th and 28th in a Romeo Burger performing live band show. So we're going to rehearse right now, and you know, and we do, I get a hard drive because I feel like the hard drive I have at home Not have enough space. It's
So
working
I
hard
want a
driving.
big so, you mean?
No man, bro, cool on. I met Virgin Nation fees, I mean I know nothing about hard driving.
Okay.
Yeah man. What me
Like
need.
one time, eh?
And then I go on time. One time the man have to tell me everything about technology like.
You know, so none of that me there talk.
I know that?
I mean, say one time, the bigger it is physically, is the more it's stored.
Oh,
You understand?
oh,
Like,
whoa,
yeah,
see
when
them,
they just-
we never know that.
Yeah, man, and it
Never
just
know
come
that.
out, man.
Never know that, brother. But yeah, I can say it then. The man I used to have to show me everything we have to do with social media. And I say, yeah, singer, yeah man, I said, this you do man, video work. I said, G, I said it's simple.
Could have take a pass anyway.
I realize, brother, what to my boy I look like.
It will make you good, man.
Oh God, I move like some hooligan on the street.
So Ramin going to the studio and the girls are sleeping. So it's party time. I joke on a party time, like I watch Netflix. When you get excited a while ago, don't? No.
So we reach this place here, couldn't find a parking, so Nico have to run in and go get the hard drive for me. Until I say we have multiple hard drives at home too. But the problem is all them have on something on them. For the music video or some things that we used to shoot from back in the past. You know, some countries that we travel to already, you know, so Nico forward now. But yeah man. Yeah, brother, me a record.
Okay.
Yeah, put it on the spot too. Yeah, so we get that. And we wait to rehearsal now.
Okay, watch it. Sanitize enough people.
Of course. So now we have more than enough space for work now, Virgin Nation. Video's gonna be flowing like stream. I mean, I flow like the Hope River with Saska sing about. Sunday nice here, man. Hey, have you got it there?
Alright,
Yo.
man, go fly past
You
the
come
gate.
near fly past the gate,
You
yeah?
reach me enough time, man.
Yeah, no, sir.
No mask, no entry.
See there? No mask, no entry. Yep.
Come on, look. Yo, come on. Nico. You can't see nothing, man. What you fi see?
And Nico!
You.
Come on.
So like when coronavirus is going around,
Yeah.
we need a fee to go in now.
We're at it.
100 US.
Sorry if you know.
Small money for you now.
If you know, if I don't say going, you're going to trouble with the boss, you know.
No man, yo,
Well, record, you know.
Respect Robin and money, I don't know what to tell you.
You good?
Yeah man.
Alright, boss. Respect. Big yard. Live. Respect family, yeah.
Good rehearsal, yourself.
Give thanks. So we're there now. We're right inside the rehearsal. Oh, this is the door, man. So we're about to get this rehearsal started. Yeah.
You gone, baby?
What's going on? This is where you're sleeping tonight?
You're asking us?
Yes. Yes, I'm asking.
So it's you let them know I got it.
What's going on? Hey, Mama.
Mama asking a question, girl. Hello. Look. Look that way. Look that way. Box up there.
Hey. Good.
We don't know what's going to happen. The ways that these candidates are behaving could not be more different. And this lawsuit
What you know? War begins.
Trouble. What's happening? What's going on? Hello. Hello. What's it like? Must be nice.
It's all way to distract them from taking out the TV. They come out skillful, eh?
Virgo Nation, how are you doing? Oh my gosh, the past week has been an experience. It has been a nice week, you know, rough one, doing some things we haven't done in a long while, like getting up early, both of us, heading out to shoot. You know, some evenings I was back and forth at the studio trying to get things right, you know, because, you know, it's a hand-in-hand thing, music with what we're doing, or what we were doing, you know, so we're happy to be back, to be honest with you. Liz is back in full effect.
Where did I go?
No, because you return and you start do all your workouts same time.
Oh, that's what you mean.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so we're grateful, you know, and happy so we can be doing what we're doing and I survive it. Are you just gonna sit and look at me like that? You're not gonna say anything?
Yeah, I'm gonna say something, but I have to allow you to speak first.
You're such a beautiful wife. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, God. It's not always like that, though.
Second one.
What? My time now?
It's your time.
No, not my time. You said take it away.
Take it away.
Take it away, Liz. So, guys, recap of my day today. So, today I resumed working out, and it was rough. Worked out with Steve virtually. It was good. Myself and Romain, we had fun. It was rough, but we pushed through. Remember to check out Privé Anthony Official. The outfit I was wearing was from Privé Anthony Official. It was a compression wear, so check it out.
You look good, man. Like,
yeah,
it's
and
like,
it feel good too. So
yeah, the material. The first time I see them, I feel it. I said, wow.
quality. So remember,
Yeah.
Privé Anthony Official. They're on Instagram, so let's check it out for athleisure and compression wear. All right.
So how was
And tell them who sent you.
How was the workout today?
It was good. I'm glad to be back. 16 pounds to go. So stay tuned.
Hey, I'm not telling you lie, like when you don't work out in a long while, it make you feel like
You're starting all over
you
again.
start all over again.
For sure. All me when I work out in 2 years consistently, it's rough. It's like I've never been working out at all before. So
But we give thanks through everything. Yeah,
when
recognition.
I see we I struggle through the workouts, don't laugh, you know. We soon get bad there.
We soon get back there, man. I remember every time I go in the mirror, I look for myself.
Should you lose weight?
Yeah, I'm lose a whole heap of weight.
You're not that bad, man. It's still sexy. I'm
So it's
muscular.
slim sexy.
To me,
I slim sexy maybe.
it don't look that bad. That's how you make it sound.
No, to me, I
Because I feel like
feel
you lose more
slim.
weight off your face than your body.
You feel so?
Because you're still, well, you're naturally built muscular. Or, yeah, you never normally really have much fat on your body, so you're always defined.
Yeah.
So you're not that bad to me. But I mean, hey, love is blind.
Oh my gosh. But look for myself in the camera, I say, now some look slim.
And look for me. Because first place me gain weight on my face, you know.
What? I don't think you're as, you know, like you put on as much weight as you think you put on.
I just really show more on my face. My body not that bad. I show up on my hand with 16 pounds to go. My weight every week to see my progress on my son.
Yeah, man. Virgo Nation is with you. I'm here with you. I'm your assistant trainer when Steve is not available, I guess.
Never
But-
riddle for you.
A riddle?
And you have 5 seconds to answer.
A long time and a long time I hear about riddle now.
A ship was sailing under the sea. What was the captain's name? Although I told you the captain's name, what is the captain's name? 1, 2.
What?
What?
What was the captain's name?
Oh, the captain's name was what?
Yeah.
Final answer?
Yes.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
Oh my god. I was so lame.
You didn't
Feel
know
like-
it before?
No, I think the thing about it, may I repeat in my head, ship was sailing under the sea, you say? What was the captain name? And then I say, even though you told me the
You said,
captain name, so I'm like,
although
although you
I
told
told
me
you.
the captain name.
What is the
See,
captain's
you never
name?
tell me the captain name, you say, what was the captain's name? You say, oh, what was the captain's name? I'm too smart for you. I have a riddle.
Let's see. How you go?
Riddle me this and riddle me that. What goes in and never come out?
What goes in and never comes out? Air?
What?
Oxygen? Carbon dioxide?
That is your homework. Virgo Nation, if you guys know the answer to that,
What goes in and never comes out? In?
that's your homework, okay? On the next episode,
Tell me.
I'll reveal it. Go and study.
Come
It's
on.
it's very easy.
Make sure you send on riddle your makeup on the spot now.
No man.
So tell me.
So go find out. Virgo Nation, you guys have work to do. What goes
What
in and
goes
never
in
comes
and
out.
never comes out?
Yeah. So Virgo Nation, we're just happy to be back. We have so much more in store for you. We can't wait to share with you. You
Yep.
know? Yeah.
Have a lot in store.
Yeah, man.
So just stay tuned and
Stay
continue
tuned.
to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Yep.
Peace out.